Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know the drill. Let's talk about yesterday's. If you had a chance to listen to yesterday's whisper, we had our eye on a few different stocks. The first one was BP. If you recall, we had that ECN huge offer at $36.44, only bullish above $36.50, and you can see could not break to the upside. Instead, broke down and was a great short from that level. Also, we were watching Pandora, only bearish below $8.50. You can see the buyers were there pre-market and still there. However, if she does break below that today, I would turn bearish on Pandora. And also, we were watching Gap Stores. We had some massive prints the other day at $23.75, and you can see still has not closed below $23.60 or closed above $24. So still waiting for this stock to make a move. Sometimes you got to be a little patient. But we did have our eye on the SPY, and we were watching that massive after hours volume that we don't normally see at 246.71. We are still above that level, so continue to watch that. Also 247.32. That was yesterday. We had some pretty decent volume at that level. So my traders were rocking it yesterday. Costco was one of the biggest winners in my trading room. Thank you, Ricky, for the call out. Also Verizon. My traders were rocking that off the prints. And if you are a subscriber to my Dark Pool app, I did post up that big print on Verizon. But the trader of the day goes to Foxy Roxy. She was smoking hot yesterday, and I love that she calls out her entries and her exits in real time in the pit. Always love following your trades, Foxy, so keep them coming. All right, what are we watching today besides Apple? I know everybody's watching Apple. Yeah, absolutely. Apple 160 really is the key level to watch here. You can see the sellers have come in quite a few times, so keep your eye. And we're going to see prints on this. That's really how we traded Facebook after earnings. We rocked it. We had that massive sell print that came in. So again, I'm going to watch and see what the big prints. We just have small little ones, but I'm looking for something much larger than 50,000 on Apple. Okay, so if I see it, I'll definitely tweet it out as soon as possible. But we are watching Bank of America, 24.50 key level. We had some big prints the other day. I tweeted out at 24.20. We were bullish above it, but now we got to a pretty big level of resistance here. So we'll see what prints come in, but I will be bullish, especially on a close above 24.50. But USB had big prints yesterday at a $52.50. I'm going to be bullish on USB above 53. We'll see if she can break above that. Bearish below 52.50. Also, I know we've been watching natural gas. And the whisper the other day, we were only bullish above 638. I spotted pre-market selling. Yesterday, we had a 2 million print on UNG at 627. So watching that level really careful. Going to be bearish, especially if we close below 625. However, if we close above 638, this could very well be the bottom. So keep your eye on those specific levels. Also, Coca-Cola had a big print on this yesterday, 45.98. So I'm bearish below 45.80. Only going to be bullish above 46. Come watch me trade these stocks and so many more all day long. We trade live in the Job Fit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. You can try it out. 30 days, only $9.95. What are you waiting for? Happy trading, everybody.